Are you planning on changing careers anytime soon? I mean, heck, there's so many opportunities out there nowadays. But what do you choose? And what happens after you have chosen a new career path? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 3 tips on what you might want to consider doing after changing careers. Right after this intro. What is going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Chia and I am a real estate agent here in Sacramento and Elk Grove area. I make videos on tips and tricks every week. So if this is your first time here, you might want to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos coming up. Now, I know this video may not be pertaining towards you because maybe you're not looking for a career change, but you may know someone that is looking to change their jobs or career path. And in this video, hopefully the tips that I give you guys are gonna help you to be able to expose yourself and let everybody know that you are no longer doing what you used to do. So let's get started. So the first tip is this: when you are changing careers, you have to also now retrain all your friends and family into knowing that you are no longer doing your old career. For example, I used to be a mechanic, and as a mechanic, every friends and family will call me for tips and tricks, or even to come by their house to come and fix their car and check what's going on. But ever since I became a realtor, I still sometimes get those calls, and you have to retrain the people around you to know and understand that you are no longer a mechanic in my case. So you have to let them know that you are no longer in that industry, and what you are doing now is helping people buy and sell homes. So, do you need someone to help you buy a home or sell a home? I'm your guy. Tip number 2. A lot of times people would tell you it's who you know that will make you successful. And I have found that that is not the case. It's really not who you know, it's who knows you. So let me share another story. When I first became a realtor, I was still getting people calling me to go and fix their cars. And I found out that that was really frustrating because I was no longer getting my hands greasy. I was now helping people make better decisions before buying or selling their home because I'm a realtor now. So I figured that I needed to actually let them know that I was no longer a mechanic and that moving forward, I am now a realtor in Sacramento and Elk Grove area. I had to constantly do that to the people around me because, again, it's not who you know, it's who knows you. And tip number 3, we all have social media nowadays, right? I hope so, because we are coming towards 2019 and everybody has a smartphone. Even my mom has a smartphone and a Facebook account. So with social media being super powerful nowadays, I think a lot of people are using it in the wrong way. What you might want to consider doing when after a career change is share about your new career. Share every day, every minute about what you love about your new career and what you are currently doing in the career, whether it's fixing a car, helping somebody show a home. Heck, take pictures of your experience, because by sharing your experience in your new career on social media, everybody around you are gonna know that you have changed careers. Hopefully by watching this video, you have a better idea of what to do when it comes to changing careers afterwards, and hopefully it shines some light on your current situation, because I know that a lot of times when you're going into business for yourself and it's a big change, and the first thing we always ask ourselves is, how am I going to be able to succeed in this new venture of mine? Remember, if you do these 3 tips that I mentioned in this video, I believe you will succeed. So, thank you for watching this video until the end. My name is Chia and I am a real estate agent here in Sacramento and Elk Grove area. Remember that if you have not yet subscribed, you might want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos, because I do upload them every week. So, until next time, I will catch you next time. Peace out.